Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is an unlocked Android smartphone that captures attention with its impressive range of features and capabilities. With a generous storage capacity of 512 GB, this device is designed to cater to users who require substantial space for apps, media, and documents. As part of the package, it also includes a $100 gift card, which can provide users with added flexibility for their purchases or subscriptions. At first glance, the Samsung Galaxy S26 boasts a sleek and modern design that feels both premium and comfortable in hand. The smartphone is lightweight and slim, making it easy to carry and handle during daily activities. The display is another highlight, featuring vibrant colors and sharp clarity, which enhances the viewing experience for videos, games, and browsing. The combination of cutting-edge display technology and thoughtful design elements contributes to its overall appeal. Diving into the specifications, the Galaxy S26 is powered by a high-performance processor that supports multitasking and demanding applications with ease. This means users can seamlessly switch between different tasks or run multiple applications without experiencing significant lag. Additionally, the device offers an impressive battery life, which allows for extended usage throughout the day, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. One of the key features that users may appreciate is the versatility of the camera system. The Galaxy S26 is equipped with advanced camera technology that captures high-quality images and videos, even in low-light conditions. This is particularly beneficial for photography enthusiasts who enjoy taking pictures on the go. The user-friendly camera interface also allows for quick adjustments and editing, making it accessible for both novice and experienced photographers. When it comes to software, the Samsung Galaxy S26 runs on an intuitive Android operating system that provides a smooth user experience. Users can customize their home screens, organize apps, and access a wide range of applications through the Google Play Store. This flexibility allows individuals to tailor their device according to their specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S26 stands out as a powerful and versatile smartphone that caters to a diverse range of users. With its robust performance, impressive camera capabilities, and substantial storage space, it provides a reliable option for anyone seeking a reliable and feature-rich device. Whether for work, entertainment, or daily communication, this smartphone is equipped to handle various tasks with efficiency and ease.